Last week, I've given you a trade alert for Solana for long-term investor. Did you follow? If you follow, congratulations, you are making 18% so far. So what is the next for Solana? Is it still room to go up? And what is the short-term insight and the long-term insight? And today I will give you more information about my favorite altcoin Solana. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more, make more. This is only for education purpose. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. Basically, on 17th of May, I give you a trade alert for the Solana. Basically, we have different indicators tell us we have a buy signal for Solana. The fund is coming in and for long term also. Okay. So one thing I want to show you is this chart. This is the dominance. So basically to show you the market share, the percentage. When there is bear market, basically the money move to Bitcoin because it's less risks. So you can see during the bear market, we have a very high percentage of Bitcoin. When during the bull market, money will move to the altcoin. But there are so many altcoin. Which one should we go? Remember, 95% of the altcoin will disappear. So you really need to find a good altcoin. So another famous one is ETH. And my favorite one lately is Solana. Okay, so what to do with Solana? Why I'm so bullish about Solana? By the way, I'm not your financial advisor, but the market structure look really fantastic, and also something about this chart telling us some secret about Solana. So basically, Solana is an altcoin to support the meme coin. Okay, so they support many platforms. Before it used to be ETH, but lately basically these 2 years, Solana worked so hard trying to get the market share. And you can see the percentage basically from 2023 July. For example, that time is 0.83%. And they are increasing to 1, to 2, to 3. Okay, so far it's 3.19%. It's very stably increasing here. You can see the color around this area, this blue area. Okay, so you can see they are increasing. And how about ETH? ETH is just stably around 1819. Around 1819. Okay, I will also give you another information about ETH maybe in another video. Today I will just focus on Solana first. So this basically, when the market share is increasing stably, this is a very bullish signal for Solana. Okay, for Solana, at least during this blue one. That's why it has been increasing crazily. If we look at Solana, basically the range compared to the Bitcoin is higher than the Bitcoin. Okay, when Bitcoin go up 4%, these coins can go up like 6-7%. Okay, so by the way, this is only for education purpose. I'm not going to recommend you to do any trade here, but you can see the last video I mentioned, this market structure, we are just above this green line. This green line is quite a strong market structure for Solana, which is around 164. So it's a strong resistance and support. Now it serves as a support. Okay. Another thing I want to chat with you is the weekly chart. Let's look at the long term first, okay? So you can see here, we are just above this support. How about the weekly chart? I want to show you the RSI. If we focus on the RSI, basically you can see from 2022, December, it has a, if you draw a line, this is a weekly chart. You can do the same for on your chart. If you draw a line point to point, basically we serve beautifully on this support line. Okay, we serve like this very beautifully. So what happened is on May 6th of May, basically they touch it and then they go up again. Another support line is this line. It's around 59.55. So basically it's when they come down here, it serves as a support. And then they go down and use a few years to battle with this resistance zone. And then now we are above this zone again. Okay, so you just draw two lines so you can see it very clearly. We are on top of the support. We are on top of the support. Okay, so for RSI, it look really good. And for the daily chart. Oh, for the weekly chart, one more thing is the YM big buy. You can also see here, we have green candles here. So what is green candle means? It means net buy is much more than the net sales for big volume trade. This one filter big volume trade. Okay, how about daily chart? Daily chart, you can see very clearly, you can see here, the peak is higher and higher, you see? So it's very stable and the low is higher and higher. So is it good? Yes, it's very good for Solana. Another thing is, if we look at the, okay, let's look at the fund movement. Fund movement, we look at YM big buy, which is, this is for the big volume trade. How about institution? Do we have institution come in to this altcoin? We have one here and one here, okay? So this 2 point is a relative low point, okay? Because the institution come in, okay? And now we go about this already. So this is the fund movement. Another fund movement is the total holding. Look at the YM cheapest. YM cheapest, you can tell you the institution holding. Okay, the red bar is the institution holding. So basically it's increasing. Another thing I want you to look at is the trend. Look at this free line. This three line tell you the trend line. The blue is the trend line. The red is the fast track. It's very short-term trader. And then the purple is the super long-term trader. They will tell you the trend movement and also the buy-sell point. So around here, I give you the trade alert. Okay, why? Because based on the weekly chart, and now we look at daily chart. One candle go above two line. This is a very strong trend. And then the blue is changing direction. So when the blue go downward, we don't hold the coins. We basically just let it drop. When they go above, when they change in the direction, then we can hold the coins. You can see here. Okay. One thing I want you to pay attention is recently, basically yesterday, it has a one big candle up 9.9%, above three lines already, purple, red, and blue. What does it mean? It means this is above even the long-term trader, even the super long-term trader. You can see when they go above like here, they go up. It's very strong bullish market here. For example, here, one candle go above three line. This is a super bullish signal. So they go all the way up. When the purple go up, this is a very good for the long-term trader. It means the long-term is going upward. Okay, so we finished the correction already. It looked like it because it's changing the direction. Okay, of course, this is a daily chart. If we look at them, but daily chart, this is also already very fast already. So to tell you the blue is going downward to upward now. Okay, every time blue go downward to upward, you can see the movement here. It's like they will go upward, continue to go upward. Okay, so this is a very bullish market. One thing I want to pay attention is if you haven't got Solana, and if you want to buy for longer term, if you have the holding power, if you can hold the holding power, it's still okay to buy. If you don't have my indicator, it's still okay to buy. Okay, for weekly chart. But for daily chart, I want to pay attention of this yellow candle. We have the overbought signal. What does it mean, overbought signal? Overbought signal, it means it could, if we go below this yellow candle, which is 167.7 around here. Basically, if they close below this yellow candle, we will have a correction risk. Okay, we will have some risk to do some correction for short term because for the regular terms trend, we already confirm is upward. Okay, so far we don't have we have the yellow signal, mean they have the risk. It doesn't mean it right away we need to have a correction. No, the best buying strategy is we buy at the low and we buy close to this blue line when the blue line changing direction, exactly like here. Okay, because you close to this blue line, the blue line serves as a support here beautifully. So when you close to it, you are not falling from the peak. Okay, you're not falling down from all the way to here. Okay, even you fall, even you need to cut loss, you still have a very limited loss here. Remember that. So on the way to on the way it go up. If you miss my video, please click like, subscribe, share with your friend right now so you don't miss the next video. Basically, it's very safe when you buy close to the blue line. For example, here. When you go all the way up already and you buy, you need to trade with this red line. Okay? Again, you don't buy during the, you need to limit your holding when they have the yellow candle. You wait for example, when the yellow disappear, right? They close below this yellow. You can see they will have some correction. Okay? So basically, this is a strong resistance still. We need to battle the next resistance, which is around 206, okay? Around 206, this level. So basically, if you want to hold Solana, if you haven't bought yet, you may add your position, but you need to have the stomach to hold it. Okay, you need to have a stomach. It could go back to the blue line and go up again. It could, okay? It could, depends on the funding. So far, it's good, but we don't know yet, right? So you always need to do cut loss preparation unless you have a very good stomach to hold the coins. Okay, for long term, you will still go up. I really look good for this altcoin. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. I don't recommend any trade, any coins here. But according to what the chart telling us, for the RSI, even you don't have my indicator, you may check on the RSI. This one look really good. It could come back down to touch it and then it go up again. Yes, that's why I say if you can hold it for very long term, if you have the stomach for this coin to go down like 30 or 40%, you may buy it. Okay, if not, you need to control your percentage. If you haven't followed my strategy to bought previously, you need to control not 100%. Okay, so you need to control your holding and new buying because it's a bit far away from the blue line already. So click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and I see you in the next video today. See you. Bye.